Have you ever wondered what a single drop of water holds? It's easy to overlook, but under a microscope, a tiny world comes alive. Join us as we dive into the secret life of a single drop of water, a whole world awaiting us. Our journey begins with the seemingly simple. Water, the very essence of life, is everywhere. It's in our oceans, rivers, and even the air we breathe. But what happens when we zoom in, way in? Imagine a tiny droplet, perhaps from a puddle, a lake, or even a tap. Place it under a microscope, and suddenly, a universe of activity unfolds. You'll see bustling communities of microorganisms, each playing a vital role in this miniature ecosystem. First, there are the bacteria. These microscopic organisms are the ultimate recyclers, breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients. They are the foundation of this underwater world, providing food for others. Next, we have the protists. These are single-celled organisms, often more complex than bacteria. Some are predators, hunting down bacteria and other protists. Others are plant-like, using sunlight to create energy through photosynthesis, just like plants on land. Then there are the algae. These are the plants of the water world. They also use photosynthesis, producing oxygen, and providing food for the tiny creatures around them. They come in all shapes and sizes, adding color and beauty to this microscopic landscape. And let's not forget the tiny animals. These are the zooplankton, like water fleas and rotifers. They graze on algae and bacteria, keeping the ecosystem in balance. They're like tiny, transparent creatures, constantly moving and feeding. This drop of water once, just a simple droplet, has transformed into a vibrant community. It is a world of interactions, where everything is connected. Each organism has a role, from the smallest bacterium to the largest protist. These tiny worlds are not just beautiful, they're also essential. They help clean our water, cycle nutrients, and support the larger ecosystems around them. They remind us that even the smallest things can have a big impact. So the next time you see a drop of water, remember its secret life. Remember the vibrant world that exists within, a world teeming with life and wonder. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the microscopic world. There's a whole universe in a single drop of water.